Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. Welcome to my weekend morning routine. If you are new here, hello, I'm Alexandra. Please hit that subscribe button to join the family. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not a newbie, thank you for coming back. I'm so happy to have you. So typically on the weekends, I wake up around 7:30 and head straight to the kitchen so I can have a cup of coffee. And I've been loving this guy. It's from Nespresso. I will link it down below. It's available on Amazon and it just makes amazing coffee. And I also like to use an unsweetened almond milk and a vanilla flavored almond coffee creamer. And I just put those into the frother and turn it on. And it's just like the best at-home lattes. I totally recommend this. So I just pour it on top and then stir it in a little bit too so it isn't super duper strong, and it's just so easy to use. I almost always have eggs in the morning. I would say at least 6 out of 7 days of the week, and I typically will make our breakfast on the weekend because my husband does almost all of the cooking in our house, as you guys know, especially for dinner on the weeknights. So I like to help out on the weekends when I have a little more time in the morning. And I'm just going to make a cheese omelet because it's quick and it's easy, and I'm just going to use a little bit of a Munster cheese. I love that cheese. We are all about healthy fats in our house and we eat pretty low carb, so I do use real butter. And I know some people recommend olive oil, but I cannot stand the taste of olive oil on eggs. It totally grosses me out. So yeah, we just use real butter. And then I'm going to put a little avocado on top, salt, pepper, and salsa. And this really only takes a few minutes. I can do this in 5 minutes, and it's a great option for something that's fast and easy, but still tastes really good. And while we have breakfast on the weekends, we will hang out in the kitchen, talk about what we're going to do that day, and we do a lot of house projects, as you guys know. I think the next one is going to be an island in the kitchen. I found these plans for one on Pinterest, and I love the look of it. I've been looking for an island for a few months. I have not been able to find a single thing I like, so I think we're going to make it. And if I should film a video on that, then write a comment down below and let me know, because I think that would be such a fun topic. I'm all about having like a custom look and a personalized style in your home, so I think that'd be a really fun thing to share. And after breakfast is my workout, and you guys know I haven't been using this room as much as I should, but especially on the weekends when I have a little more time in the morning, like I was saying, I always try and get in at least one workout on the weekends, hopefully 2. And I always start out on the treadmill for at least 15 to 30 minutes, and then I start doing weights. I'm definitely not an expert by any means, but I thought I'd throw in a few exercises I've been doing for several years that really do make a big difference for me, so hopefully they will help some of you guys out too. And the next part of my weekend morning routine is my makeup look, and I just want something so quick and easy so I can get out the door, run my errands, and do my house projects you guys know I'm always doing. And I'm really just focused on my skin looking healthy and radiant, and I'm really not focused on like highlight and contour and false lashes and all that stuff. I've been wearing these on the weekends for at least the last 3 or 4 weeks, and I know once it's really hot out, I'm going to wear these so much in the summer. They're perfect for hot summer weather. So the first one is the Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, and the shade that I wear is Bamboo 5.5. So this is for light to medium skin tones with warm to neutral undertones. And the other one is the Mineral Veil Finishing Powder, and both of these are from Bare Minerals. I'm partnering with them to show you guys how I put them on and all of the tips I have. So let's get started. I'm starting out with the smoothing face brush from Bare Minerals, and I love a stippling motion, as you guys know, because I feel like I get a lot of coverage that way, like way more coverage with way less product. So I definitely recommend that. I also will link every product I use down below in case you guys are wondering about like the mascara or brows, anything like that. And I like how hydrating this is because especially in the summer, I want something that is like a multi-use product that is good for traveling. This also has SPF 30, so you don't have to worry about that. It just saves you so much time. And a little on my chest so I match. And it is a light to medium coverage product, so if you need a little extra, then you can just add a little extra product there. I love that it really looks like I just have a moisturizer on. It doesn't even look like a makeup. It looks like I just have really healthy skin, which who doesn't want that? I'm going to set my face now with the Mineral Veil finishing powder, and I'm using the Supreme Finisher brush from Bare Minerals. I love how soft and fluffy this brush is. And then when you open this up, it has an interlocking system. So you just spin this when you're ready for use. When you open this, it's not a big mess. There isn't powder everywhere. It all stays secured in the bottom. And then I just like to sweep this across my face. And then I also like to stipple in a little bit of extra product in my T-zone because I get shiny there first. And that really is it, you guys. Like, I feel like my skin just looks so good and healthy. It looks a lot smoother than it is. I feel like an Instagram filter is just like following me around and making my skin look awesome. So I love that. And I definitely will link them down below. Right before I get dressed, I always make our bed, and over the last few weeks, my husband Chad has been refusing to have a top sheet on our bed. And apparently that's a thing now. I was really against it at first, but honestly, I can make our bed in like 3 minutes. It's so fast and easy. So I think I'm on his side about it now. I haven't told him. If he sees this video, then he will know. And yeah, apparently that's a thing now. So if you guys have a top sheet, if you don't, write a comment down below and let me know what you guys like. And for my outfit on the weekends, I like a little bit of everything. So I still want to be stylish, but I also want to be practical and really comfortable, especially when I'm running around. And for my next video, it's a style blogger look for less video. It's the second one I've done, and I love filming these. It's all about popular outfits and accessories that you guys see all over Instagram, but it's all based on dupes. So it's similar items for way less money. I cannot wait to share it. Definitely subscribe if you haven't yet because you are not going to want to miss it. And for today's outfit, I'm wearing a pink silky slip dress with a fitted denim jacket and a pair of navy sneakers with rose gold accents. And all I have to do is grab my handbag and then I'm out the door. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell to be notified when a new video goes up. And I will be back in a few days with a brand new video.